guys, today is the first day of wheat harvest. We did have a couple minor setbacks today, like a lightning storm came by, dry lightning, caused a small little grass fire. That kind of put us back a little bit, but there's a slight chance we might get started. So, we'll see. We got my lovely lunchbox here. It's from when I was little, like 5 or 6. I do have a better one, but it's 2:30 in the afternoon, so I'm not really gonna need that much food. So so I'm just waiting for the 760 to pass by. But yeah, just let wheat harvest begin, I guess. Got the 9600 cutting on a triangle over there. Big combines over here. So yeah, we got to cutting a lot sooner than I thought we would. But yeah, just stick the camera here somehow in. So I can wash both of these combines now with the big curtain. Dad's trucking. Cousin's in the 760 and Uncle's in the 9600. So yeah, just gonna continue to do this for a bit. Oh my. Might as well start creeping over there. semi, and we done. Got my lovely camp here. Got lunchbox sitting on the floor. Dad sitting on the floor. Hat laying on top. Water bottle. Oh, waiting for Dad to show up in the semi. How fun is that? Looks like this is the last load of the day. It is 5:42. So yeah, that'll be it for today. Then still gotta dump and everything, so still got a couple things to do.
Fast car.
Well, we're done for the day. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. There'll be some more tomorrow. I hope this video turned out okay. It really depends. I don't know I don't know how to aim it, but anyway, that is it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.